Welcome. In this video, we'll learn the basics, the fundamentals of computers. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up your knowledge, this is the perfect place to start. A computer is an electronic device that processes data and performs tasks according to a set of instructions, called programs. It takes input, processes it, and gives output. Basic cycle: input, process, output. A computer has hardware and software. Hardware is the physical part of the computer, things you can touch, like the keyboard, mouse, monitor, and CPU. Software is the set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. Examples include Microsoft Windows, web browsers, and games. Let's break it down into four main functions. Input: devices like keyboards and mice allow users to enter data. Processing: the CPU or brain of the computer processes the data. Output: devices like monitors and printers display the results. Storage: hard drives and pen drives store data for later use. Computers come in different sizes and uses. Desktop computers used in homes and offices. Laptops, portable computers. Tablets and smartphones, compact and handy. Servers, powerful systems used in data centers. Importance of computers: computers are everywhere. From schools and hospitals to banks and space stations. They help us in communication, learning, entertainment, research, and much more.